amazing. Before you, lemon juice and smell it. But my lip hurts. Oh no, that's mean. Guys, I had to upload my video on my page.